So today we are going to show you how to download and install Git for Windows 10 and 11. All right, so you can just go ahead and head up to this website. I'm going to put this into the video's description or the comment, and then click on download for Windows. As you can see, you have many options. You can just use PowerShell to just download it. But let's just keep it simple. We are going to just do it manually today. Click here to download, and then you can just choose a destination. I'm going to save it right here, and then the download is begin. Once the download is complete, you can actually click on show in folder, and then you can just have two of them, but you can just go ahead and just one it as admin, and then give the permission. And then let's go ahead and just follow the prompt. Next. So this is gonna be your destination. Gonna go to the C, and then I'm going to leave everything as default. But if you have any preference, you can just feel free to check them, and then click next, click next, click next. I am choosing all the recommended, and then click next, click next. A lot of next. All right, and then install. In the meantime, if I were to open PowerShell or the command prompt, let's say cmd, if I type git, see, it's not recognized because it hasn't been installed yet. So now Git is done. If you wanna see a release note, you can actually check this, but I don't wanna see it. I can just try to launch it and click finish. Now Git is successfully installed. If I were to type git help -h, you see that they show how to just create a branch, merge, push your code, etc. And then if I were to go back to my command prompt right now and I type git, I shouldn't have any error. So everything works as expected. Now, what I want you to do, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and check out our videos. So we are covering a lot of wonderful free resources, whether you are interested in programming, cybersecurity, or DevOps. Until next time, happy learning.